One of the most praiseworthy iOS 18 features is the fully redesigned control center. Depending on your preference, you can design the control center from the scratch and reorder, resize, and even remove the unwanted buttons if you don't need them any longer. So, if you want to give your control center a completely new look, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get it started faster, we have to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. And then you have to tap on the plus button located at the upper left corner of the screen. Now, if you want to perfectly rearrange the control center icons, simply drag an icon and drop it at the preferred spot. And to resize an icon, you just have to use the tiny handle to adjust the size of an icon. And if you want to get rid of an icon, you just have to tap on the minus button at the top of an icon. And if you want to add an icon to the control center, just tap on the add a control button at the bottom and then choose the preferred icon. After you have perfectly customized your control center, tap on the empty space to confirm the change and get out of the editing mode, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily customize your iPhone's control center to your heart's liking. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.